One of our more recent challenges has been 111 North Canal for Sterling Bay. We worked in tandem with Proteus Architects to develop new interiors and floor plans for an existing building. This was essential to create great marketing material to help our client go out and lease these new spaces. The outdated lobby had mauve and tan granite floors, low ceilings, and tight corridors. One of the biggest challenges to the lobby was the many access points and the columns which hid the security desk from the visitors. To solve this problem, we relocated the security desk to a vacant area off the main aisle. This change helped to increase the security of the space by allowing the security guards to control access to the elevators and the main lobby area. With our first pass at the design, we updated the details and finishes to a more modern style. We also worked on the ceiling areas to add volume by opening up the space to the lobby. At the completion of this stage, it gave our client great marketing material to go out and start the lease process. Now that the marketing process had started, our designs were turned over to Proteus Architects for refinement of the final design.
Well, the renderings that were turned over early allow us to understand the client, the developer, and eventual owner and tenants' big ticket items to be addressed in the final design.
We did some experimental work in the lobby. We exposed the ceiling. We took the ceiling off and exposed the terracotta, and from these design cues, we fed them to RM Design. At first we thought it was going to be a wood column, and then it looked a little heavy in the rendering, so we were able to adjust the material and decided to expose the concrete underneath, light it, and we were able to do that through RM Design and their ability to really kind of capture light and material and the feeling and the essence of a building. Working with Bob and his team at RM Design, we were able to create the dream of the roof decks. We had a unique building floor plate that was 50,000 square foot floor plate. So we were able to create 4 different unique roof decks, which is unusual in the city of Chicago. And we were able, with Bob's help, to create all the different fantasies: the outside roof deck, the fitness center, the club, the conference center, and we're able to capture some high-profile tenants by offering them this unique experience of a roof deck.
The unique aspect of working with RM Design is purely their collaboration. Numerous times we'll discuss angles and views and finishes and colors, and they react to those in almost real time.
What we're able to do is, with our conversation with RM Design, is to create the different scenarios, and then we can test it on the market without actually having to build it. So we're able to see if we're on the right track, or if this is the right direction to go, and we can get immediate feedback from the market, and then tweak the design and or the use as needed, without ever having to swing a hammer.